Little black bear.
Pippi, what are you doing on the table? It's supposed to be a lap dog, not a tabletop dog. What are you doing? Now the rest of them get on the table. Oh.
Except for Pooh.
Pooh gets on the table and pees on it.
I know he does.
I'm a table peer. If it's on the table, I'm going to pee on it.
Center.
I'm going to pee on it if it's on the table. Really? Really, what are you doing?
No, Bear.
Hi, Mama.
Bear. No.
Hi, Mama. Tay-Tay.
Good boy.
What are you doing? You're looking rough.
I know she does.
Row.
Mama's gorgeous.
Mama's gorgeous, yeah. Mama's gorgeous. She went for a ride. She went stroller riding this weekend. Yeah. Yeah, we went stroller riding today, huh? The other day, huh? Baby?
He just needs to call me. What? What's your malfunction? You know what? I found you.
Right in front of the big little jug of snaps.
I found
He pulled
you.
one out. And
I found you a Thunder shirt. But you know what? It was the size of a great big dog, so you couldn't have had it. You get another one?
you get another one now? Yeah, I had one.
Go ahead, Bear. Go ahead. You want it? You want it? Go ahead. You can have one. No? You only had one. They get two.
You want one? No, no fun. I'm busted. I'll sneak it.
Get away from me with that. I don't want it.
Oh, I'll take it now.
Honey, take it out of the box. There's still something in the box. That's
Roll.
the box sits there.
Lily. Whoop! Who's gonna get it? Oh! Willow. Let Lily get you.
Don't take it.
You tell my mom. You good? Who did you get yours? Yeah, but you get this. Oh, TJ.
What? Really?
Everybody else got one but me.
Don't you know that I get delivery?
Oh no. I'm a princess. Whoop, you better get it. Alright. Here they are.